What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today for you, I have a little bit of a follow-up video to the one that I just released last Friday, unveiling the newest product for my Dauntless Modern Grooming lineup, the styling foam. And if you saw that video already, then you know what we're talking about here. And today I'm just doing a little bit of follow-up for those that might have missed some of the details on the foam in that video. And for you guys that saw the video, as promised, I'm going to be sharing the full styling footage from myself and my good friend Dre Drexler. Now, once again, or if you missed the first video, let me introduce you to the newest Dauntless product, the styling foam. This was designed to be an all-encompassing styling aid, meaning it can be a pre-styler, it can be a post-styler, it can be used with itself, it could be used with whatever you want. It is all-encompassing. And really the key that makes it work in that fashion, the key to making the product work the way it does, is the serum. It starts out as in the bottle, and then the foam it turns into after you pump it out. The serum itself is filled with sticky, tacky, crazy hold power, and then among other things, argan oil to help stop any drying that may come out with all the hold that it brings into your hair. It then comes out the pump in a light and bubbly foam to distribute the product all through your hair without overbearing it and weighing it down, resulting in that perfect hold distribution with a lightweight presence after the fact. I will start now by showing you my styling footage in more detail. I will be using this as both a pre and post styler. You already know too that my hair's at its longest length that it's ever been, and it's pretty poofy right now too. I haven't had it thinned or anything like that in weeks. And what you're seeing here really is one product taking care of all those major things: the poofiness, the thickness, the length, all the hold that I need to really keep it in check. One product's going to take care of all of that. I am using about 4 pumps, which for me will result in a firm hold. Using less pumps on this can equal less hold depending on your hair type though. For example, if you have thin or fine hair, you may only need 2 pumps or even 1 to get to that firm level. You can see though that adding this into my hair is effortless. I mean, it's bubbles, it's foam. It's so easy to put through your hair and it's so lightweight to move around. And then after hitting it with the heat, which is something that I highly suggest you do because the heat kind of activates some of that stickiness. And after I do that, this is the result that I get. I want to make sure to also say that you can use it with you guys that don't blow dry as well. You can use it with air drying. It also works in that fashion just fine. You can see though it's got all kinds of hold going on there, lots of control. It's just very sturdy without weighing it down. It keeps things very natural while also introducing all that awesome hold. At this point too, I'm going to add in a couple of more pumps here of the foam just to seal it up and show you guys the raw power that it has. And so I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to give it some combing action, and the result that I get here is just nice and locked in as if I was using a wax or a paste or a pomade or something like that. It's just very locked in, and for a product of this type to provide that much hold is what I was super excited about. This is exactly what I wanted. Of course, though, you might notice this doesn't have texture or any dry clay features like that, and that was done on purpose. I didn't think this really needed to have that because we just released the Ace of Swords activated clay spray. And honestly, because these products were made so close together, I had the ideas so close together, I actually just designed them to work together. I figured one would have the clay stuff, the other one wouldn't. So when you use the foam with the Ace of Swords, you can expect to see right around the same result. You might see it slightly amplified due to the swords also having great hold, so you're adding in kind of double hold. But from the Ace of Swords, you'll have all the clay benefits added in as well, making this, in my opinion, one hell of a combo.
What's up guys, my name is Dre. Today I'll be showing you how I use the new styling foam by Dauntless, created by Mike of Modern Man TV. Now I have used a lot of pre-stylers in the past that are good and that, you know, give a good amount of volume. But not only does this give you that volume, but it also provides major hold, which I don't think I've ever seen done, or at least done successfully. But honestly, in my opinion, this styling foam really maximizes on all the mistakes that other pre-stylers may have. It goes into your hair real easy, and as you blow dry it into your hair, you then, after a few moments, start to feel a little bit of tackiness start to set in, allowing you to, of course, build that foundation and hold simultaneously, which is a pretty cool effect. And as you see here, I mean, some of you may not even need a post styler after you blow dry this stuff into your hair. In fact, not only do you achieve major volume, but with that holding factor, you can easily control your hair and where it goes. So essentially, a lot of you may not even feel the need to use a post styler like clay or wax. This product does it all. with that said, shout out to Mike for sending me out this product right here. I really think that this styling foam sets a new benchmark for the whole hair product industry. I think it's a revolutionary product in my opinion, and I really believe that you guys at home would really benefit from this, and it would take your hairstyling game to that next level and just make your whole hairstyling process that much easier. So, hey, styling foam by Dauntless.
All right, I really want to thank Dre for his honest assessment. I mean, truthfully, this guy is one of the most genuine people I've ever met, and I'm just super grateful that he took the time to check this out. Now, the Dauntless styling foam is available now at my Dauntless shop. It is $17 US before shipping, but you can use the channel's code MMTV at checkout to save 10%, and I've also just activated Afterpay, Shop Pay, so you can actually buy all the products you want, and it's split up into 4 different payments, so definitely check that out if you're interested in that. As always, for you guys that choose to check this out or support the business, my family and I are so thankful for your support, and we really hope you love this new product. I also want to mention that we are running a giveaway. You still have time to enter that as of now. There's about a week left for you to enter this giveaway. We are giving away 1 bottle of the foam and 1 bottle of the Ace of Swords. If you're interested in that, a link is in the description. 3 people will be chosen to win 3 sets of these new stylers. If you, though, want to try this combo for yourself right now, you can find both products at the Lockhart shop as well. I highly encourage you to check out that combo. I'm telling you, you won't be sorry you did. Thank you though so much for the opportunity to share this with you today. That is it for this video. I will be back with you again real soon with some all new content, and until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.